It's time for the gym. It's actually like it's a really cool area. You have all your weights over here, and you have like this. I've never actually used this. I think this is like a yoga place. I didn't even know you had this bar here. I've never been in this room. But yeah, I guess this is like a yoga place. I need my selfie stick, but I can't vlog.
Well, you know.
Where could it be?
You can't be taking pictures of yourself.
I'm vlogging our conversation.
Alright, so the plan today, Stan, is that we're going to finish the cupboards in the room and we're going to put those in the boxes.
Yeah.
And then I think I will get some clothes and put them in a suitcase of some form. Probably a green one, which seems to be the suitcase of large proportions. And then I think you ought to do some work on your website.
I don't know where to start. Oh, look at this drawing I did, it's so pretty. Ah. This is the one that I wore when I went to go see Florence and the Machine in Bournemouth and at the O2. Freaking love this shirt. Now I'm gonna do my shorts and my jumpers. Do you remember when everyone needed face masks? This is how pathetic I was. I decided to get myself a Kurt Geiger freaking face mask. Hey! I used to love wearing this necklace actually. So cute. I think that's pretty cute. I don't know, I've never worn it. I don't really wear hats that much, I don't know why. This would go super cute with my pink Fred Perry top. That'd be so freaking cute. And this one I got from Palmitos Park. Clearly, I've never worn it before, but it's super cute. This is the moment where you have to get, most of it's done, but we have to get all your hidden crap out from under the freaking bed. It's time for a break. We have homemade chicken soup. We are basically done. I'm actually really happy. Like all the boxes are pretty like neat and organized. Kitchen stuff, other stuff. All my clothes are in there. Martin's clothes are in there. Bedding, adult entertainment stuff there. Now I just have to do this. Obviously, we still have like.
Editing now, your speaker is not broken. I have no idea what happened in that video.
This is one of our last walks down Waitrose pathway of Canary Wharf. This is actually a very big moment for us, Martin.
Oh, it is indeed.
Look at the dripping rain.
Oh, it's not as cascading, I would say, rather than dripping.
Got me all wet. Like restaurants like this were so pretty and are so pretty. Think more. So this was like our living space, like floor 1, like a wine bar, coffee over there, like a study area, another fun area out here. This is like the outdoor area. I think it's shut now, yeah. It's shut, but it has lots of very cute places to sit and relax and study. And then here is like the bathroom. Here is the bathroom up there. That's the kitchen. Through here is a gym, which you guys have already seen, but that's the gym pathway. And then you have your like lounge area here, where people work and people play PlayStation, have sports here. And then you have your pool board and your shuffleboard here. And then inside there, as I said, you can hear somebody working out, and that would be the gym. Hi, my name is Kane, I'm 25 and I'm a professional pool table player. My friend here is Martin, sitting in the corner of shame because he knows he's about to lose. Now, I'm going to set the balls up in the most professional manner to prove my professionality, and we're going to take it from there. So first what you're going to do is you're going to get your yellow, your red, your yellow, your yellow, your yellow, your red, your yellow. That's a black. That. Now, don't understand if you can't do it as professionally as me because I'm left-handed, but this is what it should look like. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your cue. And you're going to use your purple chalk, because purple is really cute. You're going to use your purple chalk. Look how cute that looks. Do you see how cute that is? It's such a beautiful colour. On our way to pick up the keys to our new apartment. This is so exciting. Hey. It's hard to do one-handed. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have that trick. One room. Bathroom. Where's the light switch? There's the light switch. How did you do that? Oh. Second bathroom. Second bathroom. Hey, what's up, bitches? This is actually crazy. The kitchen. Still books here. What's this? I guess I used to know that. Oh my gosh, so much. What else did they have? Look, they've left us like oh wait, where's all this stuff? They've left us they've left us lots of like cutlery, which is really great of them, but we have our own, and we don't really want to hold on to them. Like, there's 2 of us and we do like washing, and we wash up every day, right? We don't leave it for days, so having like 12 plates and stuff is not necessary. But I really appreciate them leaving it. That was really sweet of them, because imagine if we didn't have so much, or if we didn't have what we needed. That's really nice of them. I'm not actually sure what that is. What is this? That's to do with boiled egg or something? Gravy bag. Gravy bag. And left any food? Oh my god, they have. This is really sweet. Do you know what you can't see is like, I've been like, I look weird right now, it's fine. But I've actually been crying because I'm so happy right now. Yeah, so weird. My very first week. Goodbye.